Hello everyone, this is NTI Day 6. I'll be going over the reading assignment for today. In your packet, your next page is this one that you see on the screen. It's called Nonfiction Reading Kit, and we're looking at the author's craft. Remember, author's craft consists of the tools an author uses to make his or her writing clear and interesting. A lot of those details that we've been talking about too. So we're still using the Swarms of Terror story from your packet. On today's page, your directions are: why is the Swarms of Terror so exciting to read? The author includes many descriptive details about the grasshopper swarm that destroyed farms in 1875. Think about why she does this. First, read the sentences from the story in the left column. Next, read our rewritten sentences in the right column. Then you'll answer the questions on the next page. So we're going to look at these sentences on the left first. It says, each day the family woke at dawn to care for their cows, horses, and chickens. And that was taken from page 5. And over here, they have rewritten the sentence to say, the family worked hard every day. Notice the difference between those two sentences. The next one says, grasshoppers were the cloud. It was made of 1,000,000 bugs, and now the swarm of bugs was swooping down from the sky. And that's from page 7. The rewritten sentence says, there were many grasshoppers in the swarm. They started to land on the ground. The next sentence from the article is from page 8. It says, the locust stuck to the wheat like glue. Oh, that is a simile. Remember, it's using like or as to compare two things. And the rewritten sentence says, the locust would not go away. Then the last sentence from the article from page 8 says, by the next morning, the field had been chewed down to nothing. And the rewritten sentence is, by the next day, the locust had eaten all the crops. If you notice, all the ones on the left-hand side from the article should be more interesting for us to read. How the words were phrased sound a little bit different than the words in the sentences on the right-hand side. So on your next page, your questions are, and there are only 5 questions today. The first one is, are the sentences in the article or the rewritten sentences more exciting to read? So you're going to tell me which ones are more exciting, the actual ones from the article or the ones from the right-hand side of the column up here. The second question is, why do you feel this way? Make sure you give me more than one reason of why you feel this way. Which sentences from the article were most interesting to you? So you're going to look back at the column up here. Which ones were the most interesting to you from the left-hand side? And why do you feel this way? Of the sentences that you picked from the article from question number 3, tell me why you picked those and why they're the most interesting to you. The last question says, imagine you had seen the swarm of locusts. Write a few sentences telling about your experience. Include at least 2 descriptive details. So here's your chance for a good writing prompt here. Be sure to have a good couple sentences, maybe more than that. You have to have at least 2 descriptive details of what you would experience if you had seen the swarm of locusts. Now this is what your packet page looks like today. If you are in Google Classroom, if you look at your classwork tab up here, underneath Swarms of Terror assignments, we now have, you now have this new one that's called Swarms of Terror Author's Craft. You can click that and it's a Google form. And it looks like this. It is the same questions. Are the sentences in the article or the rewritten sentences more exciting? It's the same ones that I've just read aloud to you from the packet, but these you can type in and you can submit them so I can see your answers. If you noticed last night on your stream, I have posted a new assignment with vocabulary. I figured out how to add our vocabulary videos, I know you all love those, to our Google Classroom. So you should be able to click that. And you will probably have to log in with your Google email and your 212 number. And it should bring up the text features video. So you should be able to watch the text features video. We have seen this one before. And I believe you can click the vocabulary cards on the left-hand side there, and you can look through those as well. So be sure to look at that in your classwork underneath vocabulary. So we have that on there. That's new too. Remember to do a spelling choice today and keep reading. And I hope to see everyone during the Wednesday wave today and on Zoom at 3:30. I will send that link out later today. Have a great day.